Another important aspect of technical optimization is page speed. Even a second delay in our page speed could give less transactions, which could be more. So we need to always check on that our website loads fast, our pages loads fast. So Google has given us a tool which is PageSpeed Insights, and where we can check the speed of our website on mobile and on desktop, what speed we are getting. So we'll just try to analyze Flipkart. Let's see what speed we are getting on mobile and what speed we are getting on desktop. And similarly, we can check speed for our website, and there would be some subsequent suggestions that what you can do to improve the website speed. Suggestions would include that you can optimize images, or you can enable cache, you can remove the code which is not used or commented, enable GZIP compression, so try to make the website light so it opens up fast. So if you see on mobile, we have a speed of 24, which is low, but Flipkart might not want to work on it because they already have an app for mobile users. If you see on desktop, it's a decent speed, which is 72, so that is good to go. But of course, there is always scope of improvement, and there would be some suggestions by Google that what you can do to improve your website speed. Similarly, if you want to check our website speed, what we do is go copy it here. With this, you can also use different tools which gives complete SEO audit. They would also give speed optimization techniques as well, and would show that which is the website speed good or not. Tools can be GTmetrix or SEO Optimer. Use this tool to get a complete audit, which would also give speed insights in case you want to cross verify and see, okay, what is the scope of improvement for the page speed. The image size should be somewhere around 100 to 200 kbs for a better optimization. Now, if you see on desktop, it's on mobile it's 35. On desktop, it's decent 77. So on mobile, we need to improve the speed, and we might want to do some changes to get it load fast. That's how you can work on page speed.